I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon roll. First, gather your fresh sushi-grade salmon, along with high-quality sushi rice, nori sheets, and a few key seasonings. You'll need rice vinegar, sugar, and a touch of salt for the rice. Having everything prepped and within reach makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this delicious journey. Now let's prepare our main components. Carefully slice your sushi-grade salmon into thin, even strips, ideally about 1/4 inch thick. Next, cook your sushi rice as directed, then gently fold in the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt mixture. It's crucial to let the seasoned rice cool completely to room temperature. Warm rice can make your nori soggy. Time to assemble. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over 2/3 of the nori, leaving about 1/2 inch of nori exposed at the top edge. Now, carefully arrange your salmon strips and any additional fillings like avocado or cucumber across the center of the rice. With your fillings in place, use the bamboo mat to roll the nori tightly and evenly, applying gentle pressure. Moisten the exposed edge of the nori with a little water to seal the roll securely. Now, using a very sharp, damp knife, slice your roll into 6 to 8 uniform pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.